Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Excel document to a picture in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, open your Excel sheet. Now we can see here a Excel sheet. Now we want to convert this sheet to a picture. At first, go to the file menu. Select the save as option. Then select browse. Then write my file name. Select our file location and write my file name. Then click the save as drop down menu. We can see here many save as format. Now I am select PDF. Then click save. Wait some moment to saving the PDF, and the PDF is automatically open our Adobe Acrobat software. We can see here the PDF is open on Adobe Acrobat. Now we want to convert the PDF to image. Go to this file menu and click the export to option. We can see here the image option. Now I am select JPG. You can save this PNG etc. Now I am select my file location and write my file name. Then click save. Then wait some moment to saving the file. Then go to our file location and check the file. We can see here the image. Double click and open the image. We can see we save the Excel spreadsheet to our image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.